What's up, everyone? Mikey here, and I just woke up not too long ago, and I'm getting right to work. Um, I love working, so whenever I can work, I'm gonna do it. Today, I want to go over something that um, my fiance is very creative, and if I need ideas, I can come to her and she'll help me out. Um, so, oh God. We created a sharpening um, gadget, if you will. So, we went to Michael's the other day, well, yesterday, and I was like, I need something to sharpen curvy knives, because if you put a curvy knife on a flat stone, you're not gonna be able to sharpen the full knife. So I thought of, damn, I thought of what chefs use with that when they go back and forth, but I do not promote. If you want to preserve your edges, buy leather, buy a $10 strap, because they take off way too much metal. And when you take off metal, you get metal shavings. And guess where the metal shavings go? In your food. So I thought about it. What can I use? I got wood. um, I'm so fucking immature. Um, I asked my dad, like, do you have any, like, PVC pipes or, like, a piece of wood? And he didn't have any. So I was like, damn. So we went to Michael's, and my fiance called this a dowel. This comes much longer. I just sawed it off with my saw, so it will fit sandpaper. So this cost like $2. But I don't really know how much it was, but it wasn't that much. So, and this will get into the curvy edges. So what you do is I got sandpaper from Amazon. I got sandpaper from 120 grit. At 120 grit, all the way up to 2500. When you get to 2500, that thing is gonna be mirror polished. You don't really need it to be mirror polished, but you know. So what you do is you just wrap this up. It's kind of hard for me to do, but I'm gonna try to do it. Do one side, hold that. I tried to look for fucking rubber bands that they did. Michaels and Target did not have fucking rubber bands. So right now I'm using a hair tie. Thank you, baby. And they want to make this really, really, really tight in order for it to really stay. What I'm thinking of doing is making multiple grits of this, so I don't have to take it off, you know. And then do one more. I want rubber bands because my fiance did the first one. This shit is hard to do. Rubber bands will be a lot easier for me. So I'll just hold it for you. I'll just figure this out later. But what you do is you wrap it up with rubber bands or a hair tie, and then you take your curvy knife, rather quiet cutlery, you will love that. And you can get into those curves, or you can use it you can hold, if it was a steak, you can hold it and you can do it this way. This is a low grip, so just by that, I gain a burr down here, but not up here. But as you can see, it's hard to get into these little grooves. That's why we have Mikey is sharpening. Don't buy curved knives, curvy knives. It ain't the bad edge, but if I keep going, it's definitely gonna do good. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that not a lot of people can, afford $70 stones. I know if I didn't have my dad, I wouldn't be able to buy these stones. So if you go to Michael's or Home Depot or wherever, buy yourself, I don't know how thick this is, as an inch thick piece of wood, wrap it up, and sandpaper, and you can actually, just like I do with the stones, I can wet this. This is a wet sandpaper, and then just use it as a regular stone. You can use this on regular shaped knives. You can use it on anything. I did this because I need it for the preacher. I want to get the preacher out this week. It's hard. That motherfucker is big, bulky, and yeah. So I'm gonna be working on that today, and hopefully I can get it out Thursday. So, coffee didn't kick in yet. So there you go, sharpening on the budget. You can get the sandpaper off of Amazon. I got that for like $10. And this is like not even $2. So that's basically like the cheapest made sharpening gadget. I wouldn't say ever, but it's a damn good idea. And I'll have to thank my beautiful fiance for helping me figure that out. So if you want sharpening done, hit me up. My email is sarahballsy24@gmail.com. You can find me on Instagram, keeping underscore NJ underscore sharp. And like I always say, never give up, never surrender, and give loyalty and respect to everyone, especially your beautiful self. If you want to see beauty, look in the mirror. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching.